What's up, everyone? For those of you who have been around, just traded in the Tacoma for a 2026 Tundra TRD rally package. Thing is sweet. First thing I'm going to do is install a Tyger Auto tri-fold bed cover. Had a soft roll up on the Tacoma, and this time we're going with the tri-fold. So let's open the box and get into the installation. Alright, so opening the box here. Obviously it comes with the foam gasket. It's probably going to go towards the cab, and then the actual tri-fold bed cover comes in this nice little case, so no damage will hopefully happen in shipping. And then got some of the bed rail mounts, I believe. Alright, so in this main case that the actual tri-fold came in, we got the main instructions right here. And then we also have the instructions for the utility track install using these metal brackets here. But let's try and take this guy out of here. Really good construction. Obviously, it's got some aluminum, looks like powder coated metal here. So it definitely seems like it's going to be durable. I never had any issues with my soft roll up. So I'm kind of looking forward to having a tri-fold. Not like I usually had it rolled up all the way anyway. As you can see, nice metal construction there. I love Tyger stuff, man. They make good bed covers, and for such a good price. This one was $250. The soft roll was $200. I went with the tri-fold this time because we're going out of town next week, and the soft roll wouldn't get here in time. So, trying something new. So what's nice about this Tyger tri-fold cover? It actually comes with two different weather strippings. One seems to be like 1/2 inch, one's 1/4 inch. As you can tell from mine, it looks almost flush. It says, you know, you don't need to use it if it is flush, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this 1/4 inch thick one, just because, you know, who wants to get water in their bed? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up to the left and grab my razor and just cut it. Alright, so now that I have the tape off, I'm just going to fold a little bit just to kind of get it in place to make sure it's level, you know, even on both sides. Let's go there. And that way I can kind of make sure to guide it so it's flush all the way through, so I'm not going too far to one side, and it does lift up a little bit. Kind of space it out a little bit, press down. And we got our gasket, her foam on. As you can see, got it right up against the edge of there, and right up the edge there. Alright, on to the next step. Alright, to put these in the bed rail here, just gotta press on this tab right here, pop the end cap off, and as you can see, these have a little Allen key on it, so this is going to want to be on the bottom and out. This is what our bed cover is going to want to attach to. I'm just going to go ahead and slide all 3 in there. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to loosely place them and then set the bed cover on top to make sure we have the placement line up with the clamps on the trifold bed cover. Now, before we forget, I'm gonna go ahead and put these end caps back in because I don't want to lose them, don't want to break them, don't want to buy new ones. All right, so now I have the aluminum block and the clamp lined up. I'm gonna take the bed cover off, or at least set it up, and I'm gonna tighten these 2 in on both sides, just so I don't have to worry about doing it while the bed cover's down. All right, so I got the clamps on both sides in. I got the safety clamps in. I tried to line them up. Don't really know if it matters, but that's how far away I got put them. I just have a little bit of slack on that. So now I'm gonna start unfolding this and move towards the back. All right, so now we got the rear blocks in here. I have them lined up with these quick disconnects. As you can see, if I push this down all the way, we need to loosen this up a little bit. So I'm gonna flip this up. Strip there, almost. There we go. Just like that. Might have to tighten it a little bit. Just like that to release. Yeah, I might need to tighten a little bit. Do the same thing to the other side. Just like that, the bed cover is fully on. Let's clear this stuff out of the way so I can actually close it. All right, now let's close the bed here. Seems like a pretty good fit. Not much play in it. Not bad. I do kind of like how it's a little more rigid, obviously, in the soft roll-up, but I still don't know if I'm sold in the tri-fold yet. You know, it's so easy to pull up the soft roll-up and then roll it up to get rid of it, but with this one now, we're gonna have to undo each side. Probably can't see this because it's too dark. And then make sure they clear. That might be a good idea. This is a little more of a pain to open up here. We fold one over. I'm assuming we can go like this now. Keep those quick disconnects or whatever you want to call them, so they're not sticking out and hitting anything. And now we fold it up like this, and we do have these straps that strap into here. Bad camera angle, don't know if you can see it, but at least then we can have the bed partially open. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like trifolds? Do you like soft roll-ups? Do you like hard ones? Oh, that didn't sound right. Alright, so now that we got the trifold Tyger Auto bed cover on, I'll let you guys know how it is. We're taking it camping next week, so it's supposed to rain a lot. I'll let you know if how well this keeps the water out. I do have the soft roll-up one on order, so depending on how I like this one, I might just switch over to that one. But if I do switch to it, I'll definitely make a video on it for you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Hopefully gonna have a lot more content now that we have a TRD Tundra. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the truck, the bed cover. If you want to see any other videos, let me know. Appreciate it.